Okay, seems like I've got a minute to teach you some phrases with the word time. Let's do it. If time is inside a container, we can run out of time when we don't have time anymore. People say that time is money, so I can save time, I can spend time, and I can waste my time. I can have a good time, or a hard time, or a rough time. Well, if you're like me and you don't have time, you can make or try to make time for something. Now that you have time on your hands, you can set it aside to do something that you enjoy. Okay, where did time go? I gotta find some time again. Okay, I'm almost out of time, so I need to carve out more time. Like I'm carving a pumpkin or something. Carve out more time to have more time. Mission accomplished. Yes.